Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're given daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is it down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today another red day here in the daily. Not normal because, as majority of you know, Saturday there is no volume and the market is going to stay sideways here. Even today, till the end of today, we're going to see a big move. But even today, all the whole day, the market is going to stay sideways here. But the good news here, the market, he tried to give us here a double bottom here in that place here. Should we enter long at this time? No, my friend, there is nothing yet. Because over here, as I mentioned before, we got here that inside bar here, as you see it, that green candle here, you came to the top of it and the lower of it. And as you see all the time, the candles, they are just sideways here. We need at least to break up here or to break down here for us to enter long or to enter short. Till now, there is nothing. So as we still waiting till the right time that people, they want to enter based on technical analysis. For long-term investors, me, I tell it to you, as we buy from here, here, and here. And I got a pending order in that low here. If the market fall down, it's going to get triggered. I don't care, because as I'll tell you before, me, I don't care for long term. I just buying, I just accumulating those days, because even the big whales, that's what they do in those days. So even you do the same thing, guys. Don't miss that opportunity. Maybe you're going to see another drop or another falling down. As I'll tell it to you before, look at it here, what the market gave us here. A very, very, very clear here in the daily. The only thing is that level here. If we break it here, that means also we're going to fall down more than that. But also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us. And yesterday I analyzed for you the DXY. You can just go back and watch it. And by the way, we are going to open a new channel just specialized about indices like US dollar, SP 500, the Nasdaq. We're going to analyze them there. So you can join us. When it's ready, we're going to put for you the link. Channel, it's not yet ready. So here in the daily, there is nothing new here. We just need to wait until the right time. Now let me analyze for you some on-chain data for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The first one we got, guys, is that one here. Stock flow, that one being analyzed every week for you. I tell it to you, when is it blue like that, you are in the bottom. And that's what it's indicating here. As you see it, halving cycle, it doesn't left for it a lot. It's only 3 months. It's a very, 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 very big event. It happened just once a year. So get ready, guys. May I tell it to you, the Bitcoin is going to go till here, till the top of that one here. Or when the color is going to become like that yellow, as we started selling. So that one, it's telling us you are in the bottom. There is nothing new here. Now let's see the other one for pictures to get more clear to you. The other one we got is that one here. His name funding rate. That one I've been analyzing for you every week. Same thing. That one I've been telling you, look at it. It's need the Bitcoin to spike like that. Only times when it spike here, 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 and here. Now over here it's showing sometimes red, sometimes green. That meant over here in that level, people they accumulate until now. So even you be one of them. Forget about those people. They telling you the Bitcoin it's breaking here. That trend line here, yes, it's break it, but that's a part of the game. it might from here we're going to see it going up, because at that level here we got the lower of a uptrend or the long-term uptrend here. So if we fall down a lot, we will fall down just between 25k till 26k. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see the other one. The chart one is that one here. That one here is very important way I bring it for you, because look at it here. You see that dip will happen here. The same thing is going to happen here. It's going to fall down to touch the green one here. Then after that we're going to see the major jump after that one here that falling down, the major jump happening. Same thing is going to happen here. It's going to make a small correction to make small retail traders to get scattered, or for those big whales to find people to sell to them. So don't try to sell your Bitcoin, just hold in. You are in the bottom it's being here at 15k, and even if it dip again, we're going to buy again, because people they've been with me here in that channel for some time, they know that also here we for long term also we still holding our Bitcoin, but for day trading that's another story. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. I showed you that one yesterday, and even today I will show it to you, because till now Bitcoin is still respecting that 50 moving average as a very stronger resistance here. As you see it, couldn't break it. I told you we need a green candle to come to break that one. If we break it, we are going to go up till here, till we touching here that 100 moving average. Till now it hasn't, so also we're still waiting till the right time. It happened like how it happened here. You remember here? Same thing happening now here at that level here. So there is nothing new here. Plus another thing I tell it to you in yesterday and before yesterday video. I told you we got here a very clear flag like that. As you see it, very clear flag here. But me, I'm not treated like as a flag. I treat it as just like a distribution level or accumulation level. Till now the Bitcoin couldn't break it above here and couldn't break it down here, so also we still waiting. Where is the Bitcoin is going to break? Either is going to break here at that level here, or down here at that level here. So when it's going to break up, we're going to enter long. If it's breaking down here, we're going to enter short, take profit for that one. If it's breaking up, we bring it from here like that, and that one we're going to make it like that down. Exactly where it will go, we will go with it. If it's breaking up, take profit of us is going to be here at that level here. So till now we still waiting till the right time and the right moment. Till now there is nothing, and I show you even those ones here. I told you also we are in accumulation level like that. It will not be very quick, it will take some time, like how it happened here before. Same thing now, is going to stay sideways for some time, maybe till the end of September, because people they need a clear picture. And I've been talking with you about that historical Bitcoin in August and September. It's always a red candles, and that's what the Bitcoin is showing to us till now. And forget about those ones they showing you about indicators. Indicators they don't work in the market, guys. Market it's working fundamental. If you want for day trading and those things, yes, it's okay to use indicators, but for long term you need to base on fundamental, and fundamental also we are very close to halving cycle. So everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here to be in here at oversold area. Now we came out to here. This time also we still waiting. I tell it to you before. We got here an uptrend like that. It's very close to touch it here. Let's see if it's going to break it again and to fall down, or from here it will touch it, then it will go up. Till now also we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. Till now we haven't broken up or we haven't broken down, and also we got a flag in the chart, and also we waited where it's going to go. But also here we are in a very clear downtrend. There is nothing changed. We haven't changed from a downtrend to our uptrend. Even the moving average is detailing you that like that. So there is nothing new here. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. We are here at the oversold area. Yes, level also we are in a very stronger level, but it doesn't change nothing. The most important is the price action, and the price action we got here is that channel here, or that flag, or name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter. We need to break it either up or to break down here for us to enter long, or to break up for us to enter long here. So if we haven't broken down here or up, there is no entry, and also we still waiting here. I'm talking here just about swing trading. If we're breaking up here, at that level here. You need to focus about that downtrend here, that one here. When you are going to touch it, you need to protect yourself, and that one here is going to be next to the 100 moving average. Till now there is nothing yet, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, so let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, guys, we got a very clear triangle here, as you see it, from that one here and that one here and down here and here, and also we're still waiting where is the market is going to break either up, we're going to enter long, or we break down here, we're going to enter short. Till now there is nothing, so also we're still waiting, because as majority of you know, look at it, the market today it stay flat here, it will not go to nowhere. Even today it will not move, so there is no big moves it will happen in today. I showed you yesterday that divergence we got here in that indicator of us, but at this time us we still waiting. That one here, look how I'm going to draw it like that and like that to break either up or to break down. Till now it doesn't show in us a break up or a breakdown, so us we still waiting. Let's see our indicator was saying. Our indicator same thing here, we haven't breaking either up or either down, and our indicator is showing to us we are down here at the oversold area, and market is very flat. Even here you got a very clear double bottom, but it couldn't came just to here. So till now there is nothing new here, you need to wait and more. You can even come and doing something like that, trend line like that, and you wait if it's going to break down here, and you can make it like that in the top like that. Even that one you can make it, but also we need to wait until the right time. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.